Hey guys, welcome back to Talk with Guys tonight. My topic tonight is going to be unique animals. It's about all kinds of animals out there that that we see on the regular, but it's something that you didn't know that was the unique things that it does and what's so special about it. So my first topic is the fastest bird in the world. I'll say the fastest bird in the world, that's the spine-tailed swift. I mean, that thing can go 100 miles an hour just off of going straight in a row. Just pure daylight. I mean, when the wind is blowing, it picks up even more speed than 100 miles an hour. Second, peregrine falcon. That's the fastest diving bird in the world. Dives 230 miles an hour. And then second, I mean, it can swoop in and grab a fish in less than 2 seconds. So, another animal I would like to talk about is a cheetah. Cheetahs can go up to 70 miles an hour in less than 3 seconds. 3 second flat is hitting 70 miles an hour. Isn't that special? And I wanted to say that I have a little animal that I have of my own. It's a little cockatiel. Talks, it's from Australia and it's considered the fastest bird in Australia. And that's my little cockatiel D'Artagnan right here. And I've had him since I was 13 years old. So that makes him like 20 years old now. So he's a very wonderful animal. Great pet to have. Animals are very special. Everywhere you go, there is always an animal that is unique in its own way, though. So if you like animals, look more into it, because animals out there are, very, gifts of God that He put upon earth. So I'm like, definitely, don't be afraid to get any kind of animal out there, because all of them are special. And I would say that my other animals I wanted to talk to you about that was unique and stuff is the Tasmanian devils. One, little bite from them can break straight through the bone. Another animal that can be just like that is the jaguar. Jaguars can bite any part of the body of any animal, any creature, and break right through the bone. I mean, if it had its own battle between a tiger and a jaguar, jaguar could take the tiger down, actually, because it could bite at any location and could take the tiger down. The tiger would have to hit a specific spot of the jaguar to really puncture and take him down right on the key. So, out of animals, every animal has its own specific gift and what it's unique of. So, every time you look at an animal, think of the uniqueness of it. Look at all the beautiful designs and the, patterns they have, because it's all gifts that God has created, and it is all wonderful. And I would say that, without animals, we wouldn't be able to go to zoos and see the wonderful things for entertainment. So, remember that, and just know that, every animal is special. And I just want to kind of get that out and, share that with you guys tonight. Thanks for talking with Talk with Guys tonight, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again.